Okay, so I got a comments from one person. He was asking me to explain about end user portal and manager portal creation and what rules needs to be created. Can you explain in detail? Okay, so we will see how we can create this end user portal today. We know about portal. So where we are using portal, like if we take an application, so we will have a type of users we will have. So we know that maybe normal user who will be creating the cases. So we will give only create access to this person, create, read, and create. So once this case is created, it needs some approval. So in that case, we need manager. So manager is the person who can approve the cases in based on the scenarios. So like this we can have a number of approvals. Sometimes after manager approval, we might need some manager to a level approval. And some cases we will have sales portal, and sales related information can be viewed in sales portal, admin kind of things, like if we need to update something, or the table updation if they need, so something in those cases we need admin portal. So like this we have a number of portal. How we are creating the portals, that is what we are going to see today. So I'll just go back here. So now if you see here, right now I have access to user portal. I'll just open my access group. Let's go here, operator. I already explained about this relationship, how I'm able to see this application. So here you see the booking authors is the access group right now I have. So if I go here, I have developer, prediction studio, all this access I have, app studio, prediction studio, admin studio. With that, I do have access to user portal. That is why I'm able to see the user portal here. Fine. So now I'm going to explain how now I'm planning to create one new portal. I'll just go here. So whenever we are creating new application, few of the users will be given by application itself. While creation itself, we will be able to see few of the users, like authors. Authors is nothing but the admin role, manager and users role. So few of roles we will be. I mean, few of the users will be created while creating application itself. So you see here, if I enter my application name booking, I could see couple of the access group here, authorization. So this is not something like if I open this authorization, I will have a different portal here. Okay, for this also we have provided the user portal only. So now we will go to user interface portal. So portal will comes under UI, user interface. So I'm just gonna create new portal here. So I'll name it as end user. So and the rule set I'm going to create is, so I'm gonna create for my booking application. So this is under booking. Yeah. So here you see the roles we have, whether I am going to give user role or developer role. So we already discussed this is going to be the user role, and the type we can go with the composite or the custom type we can choose. So this is kind of customization. I'm going with the composite. You see the in the bottom. So custom is kind of activity call we are having. The composite we are having harness call. So I'm going with composite right now. So in the detail I will explain in different class. If you want the theoretical explanation, mostly we will be creating composite only. And you see the user interface. User interface is like kind of the markup. Like if I open my end user portal, the styles we are seeing right in the UI, like the text color, text. Yeah, you see here. So you see this text is bolded, right? So you see the size of this text and how we are defining all the status. And when we have content, the background has to be something like this, the white color background. And when we are having the list, we should be having some bar under that, right? The lower margin alone, the border, lower margin alone, we are seeing the border alone. And you see the button color is the highlighted, it's you see the blue color. When I hover, it is highlighted as dark blue. And you see the content color is always white. So all this customization and the application, that look and feel styles we needed, so that will be derived from here only. So here only it will be from, I mean, it will be derived from here only. So if you are giving defaulted to application skin, whatever skin our application is having, if I go and open my application definition, you go here, this is my application skin, so this will be used as default. If I want to update with a new one, you can just go to other skin. You can select any end user skin, and even if you want a new one, you can create new skin over here for your application. So now I'm going to use my defaulted skin, that is nothing but our booking skin I'm going to use. And the harness, we need to create harness is the place where we are going to put our the UI structure. For example, I'll just select FSG booking work. So under this, I could see couple of harnesses already there. I will just create a new harness, mentioning end user harness. So yeah, we have seen. So to create a portal, so first thing we have it is like the skin selection. You can use the application skin, or you can create a new skin, or you can use existing or create new. So using this defaulted to application or other skin option. And the next one, the important one, is like the harness rule. Harness is the place where we will have our UI structure. So I'm just creating, just click on create. Now I'm gonna create under my booking work. Yeah, it is created. I'll just do save. Yeah, it is saved. I'll just go back and I'll save my portal as well. So now our portal creation is done, and in the portal we have harness. So harness creation is done. You see, in this is kind of container, harness is kind of container. If you want to show our section, we need some container, that is what we call it as our harness. Inside harness, you see drag section here. So whatever UI we want to build, we have to build in the section only. So I'm just going to include embed section here. I'll just do checkout. Go here and embed section. So here I'm just gonna create a new rule, end user section. Just create and open. Create and open. Yeah, just getting created. You see, if we are going to create a section in same class, then we can go with use current page context. If it is going to be the different context, like data page context, so you can select the data page. On top of that, you can create the section. So likewise, based on clipboard page or based on the page defined by property, so you can select property and then you can create your role. So now I'm going with the current page context. So see, it is created. I'll just convert to full section editor. Yeah, so this is how my section looks like. So now we have added the section rule. So in section is the place where I'm going to show my UI. So we will always have a dynamic layout. Dynamic layout, like, it's kind of responsiveness. So in the back end, whenever we are including any properties under this dynamic layout, if you view our website in any of the computer which has the big screen, so it will get adjusted to that screen. As well as if you want to go and check in any the medium screen like tab, there also our screen will get adjusted to the screen. And even if you refer in the mobile also, the screen will looks good, it will get uh, shrink, and the responsive UI you will be able to see. So that is why this dynamic layout has come. So whatever information you are adding under this dynamic layout, it will provide the responsiveness to our UI. So now I'm going to add, so under the okay, I'll just add one data display label. I'll put, so I'll just make this as welcome to end user portal. So this screen we will design based on our requirement. So since I'm showing the basic level, I'm just adding one text alone here. Now our section creation is done. Now we'll go back and just save our harness here. So now we have successfully created our end user portal. Now I'm going to add this end user portal to my access group. I'll just go here. I'm into authors group, right? I'll just include one more portal here, that is end user portal. I'll just do save. Yeah, it got saved. Now we will go and see. You see, we are able to see the another portal, that end user portal. I'll just do launch here. Yeah, you see, welcome to end user portal. This is how we design our end user portal. So if we want to design it like in actual application, how we will have left side. Uh, I mean the I'll just open the existing one so that you see here we have a left side bar, and here we have this pulse and right side and this bottom. So all this design we can do. I'll just show you. So this is our, I'll just close the creation we have done. I'll just open this user portal, convert to composite mode. So they have they have created in composite mode only, not in custom. I'll just close everything here. You see, this is what I created under the user portal. So this is the theme Cosmos. This is the Pega. It is in Pega rules. It's a default one. And if I want to, sometimes what happens is like user used to ask in the same format. So they want to have this left side menu, and the body they split it into two. The left side it looks like a 40 and 60. No, it looks like 30 and 70. So like this, if they are asking, what we can do, we can just go and take the existing portal. They have used user portal. In case if they are asking exactly same, but only for our case information, what you can do, you can just go here and do save as into your version, to our application version, something like this. Just to save as, I'm just gonna put this in FSG booking work. So I'll just create here. The reason we are saving is like even if you are updating here, so this will reflect, I mean this will affect everywhere, right? Because it is a Pega rule set version. So if you are bringing that into our rule set version, so that we can customize based on our need, that is why I'm doing the save as and bringing that into my application version. Okay, it is telling can't render the section. The reason is the sections whatever we have here is in this class and the data portal, and a rule set is here in the theme Cosmos, but I have saved us that into different class and different rule set. That is why it is not able to render. So if you want to have the same section as well, you can just go here. What is this section name? You see how they have uh, brought the structure. Just clicking on the settings icon. It's loading. So in the screen layout we have something like this. So even in our case, if you open our portal, I'll open my harness, end user harness. If we go here, we have layout. So whatever layout we want, we can select here. So for now I kept something like this. It's only one. See, that is why it is showing like this. So if I want to have something like this, so we can update. You see this layout, how we can bring this layout. You see it has the left side bar, and something like this also we can bring. Where it is, yeah, they had only left side bar, and this body they splitted into two. So they, that is why they selected here left header left. So they are keeping all the header in the left side. So if I want to have the different structure, I can based on our application need we can select. If I want to have it in the right side, then we can keep the the header in the right side. If I choose this format and do save, you see the format got updated now. So when I keep my, I'll just take some section from here for testing purpose and I'll show you how it works. Use header. I'm just gonna header in the data portal. This is our use header. I'll just open. This is in Cosmos, theme Cosmos. Just convert to full section editor so that you will be able to see properly how the section looks like. I'm just gonna do save as this into our FSG work class. Just save. Okay, the properties present here is not okay. Better what I will do, instead of saving this into our class, I'll just put it this in the data portal, because we are doing this is for just testing purpose, right? I just don't want to take more time. So yeah, this is created. Now I will go to my end user portal. I'll just do save as. I'm gonna create this in data portal purely based on our need only. So if you want to have that in the data portal, we can have it. So this is created now. Now I'm going to include the header section here. Just go to structure, embed the section here, and here the page context is use same page context because we are in data portal, and I have created this section in the data portal only. User report, user header, just to do select and save. I'll just remove other two. Yeah. Now I'll go and section here, and I'll use user header. Go here to refresh. Okay, the reason it is not getting reflected is the class I have used is different. This is in data portal. The earlier end user harness I have created is in work class. So I'll just go back to our access group now. Yeah, you see this user portal. It is still taking from booking only, and here you see it is still reflecting to work class, but now I have updated mine to the data portal. So I'll just select that, do save. Now you go and do refresh. See, the content is gone because in the new section I didn't have this, right? That is the reason. So now I'll go back to my new section. So this is my user header is my new section. So I'll just do checkout and I'll add some text here. Instead of py label, application.py label. I'll make it as always. Just go here and I'll make it as always, because of this event rule nothing is getting displayed because it is the event rule is getting failed. I'll just go do refresh. Still it is not coming. I'll check on this layout. We don't have any condition here. Here we have some condition. Refresh. Yeah, you see the information we provided in the header has come here. This py label, Pega, booking is our application name, and next one is the portal name, that is end user, and we have some search box, and next to that we have some icon, this icon. So everything has come. This is how we create our portal. So end user portal or manager portal, whatever it might be. So once you create the portal, you have to add that portal into your access group. So now I'm a developer, that is why I'm adding everything here in your scenario. So if you are creating section, this is done. So if you are creating user manager, right? If you are creating user access, I mean user portal, if you are creating, then you have to open the user operator and see what access group it is. Next, you open that access group. In that access group, you have to add your created user portal. The same way for the manager also, first verify the access group of that manager. Once that access group is confirmed, in that access group you can add your manager portal to that manager access group. In that way you can achieve. I'll just show you how we can do that. Go here, I'll just close everything. Now go to left side, open your operator ID. Here you see, you take any user. So I'm gonna take user at booking. So we have some booking user here. So this looks like a user access group. So whatever user we are creating here, that end user, we are going to give same access group to that user. Means if I'm logging in as a user, then I will be belongs to this access group only. Then we have to add our portal. You see, we have added user portal. So if we are creating different portal, so we created end user portal, right? Then we have to remove and you have to add our end user portal. So in that way, whenever this booking user is trying to log in, he will be able to see only our end user portal. I will show you now. So I'm not sure about the password, so I'm just updating this to rules. Now what is the user id? User at booking. I'll just do log off. Login. You see our end user harness is getting loaded. So now we are having our end user harness here. So this is how we map our newly created portal to any user. It might be end user or a manager, whatever it might be. You just create your portal and you map that portal to the access group you want to update. This is how we did.